Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting in store for you. We're about to reveal the top 10 best 3D printers, best performance that have been making waves in the world of additive manufacturing. If you're looking for high quality, precision, and mind-blowing capabilities, you're in for a treat. Let's explore the best. Number 1. Original Prusa i3 Plus. The original Prusa i3 Plus, Prusa Research's flagship 3D printer, the culmination of a decade of improvements. A polished open-frame design, well supported by a strong community network. And comprehensive user guides for both pre-assembled and kit versions. Pros: consistently high-quality prints. No misprints in our testing. Easy to use, yet powerful, software. Supports multiple filament types. The build volume is a bit small for the 1 kg PLA spool. Great support. Number 2. Original Prusa Mini. The original Prusa Mini is a compact, open-frame 3D printer that consistently produced high-quality prints in our testing. The Mini has a somewhat smaller build area than the original Prusa i3 Plus, requires some assembly, and needs to be calibrated. But it's much cheaper than its larger sibling. Pros: top-notch object quality. Supports a variety of filament types. Useful, professionally printed user guide. Great support for first layer calibration. Versatile, tricky, user-friendly software. Starter packets of filament. Requires monitoring if young children or pets Number 3. Are around. Anycubic Cobra 2. The Anycubic Cobra 2 is an excellent entry-level 3D printer, offering low cost, easy setup, reliable operation, and top-notch print quality. Priced at just $279, it's one of the fastest printers we've tested, equipped with a unique extruder for fast printing. Compatible with open-source Cura and Prusa Slicer apps, it caters to both beginners and advanced users with its editing options. A compelling choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. Pros: affordable. Prints fast and accurately. Easy to assemble. Cons: very noisy fans. Leveling software is inconsistent, can get worryingly hot. Number 4. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro provides good value in an open-frame 3D printer, offering a large print area for its price. Although the S1 Pro comes in kit form, it's largely pre-assembled, so it should be easy enough for even a non-techie to put together, and it produced quality prints in our testing. Pros: easy assembly. Supports many filament types. Generated nicely detailed test prints. Cons: the auto-leveling program could be more accurate but may require slight adjustments. Number 5. Anycubic Viper. The Anycubic Viper is an open-frame budget 3D printer with a large volume print area and automatic bed leveling. It comes partially assembled, supporting various filaments like ABS, PLA, PU, and PETG. Remember to get an extra spool as it only includes a small starter coil. Look for bundled filament deals when purchasing the Viper for added value. Pros: relatively large build area. Automatic bed leveling. Simple assembly. Cons: short, 1-year, warranty. Includes only a small starter filament coil. Using Cura software with the Viper requires tweaking a couple of settings. Test prints showed some hairy filament residue. Number 6. Anchormake M5. Anchormake M5 is a remarkable newcomer in the 3D printer field. This open-frame triple times F model is easy to assemble, prints quickly, and consistently delivers high-quality results. With a built-in camera, it supports PLA, PETG, PU, and ABS filaments. A true home run for Anchor's debut. Pros: high-quality prints. Fast standard print speed. The filament holder can be mounted vertically or horizontally. The print bed offers a large print volume and easy print removal, quick assembly. Undocumented error alerts. Number 7. Dremel Digilab 3D. Dremel is better known for its rotary power tools than its 3D printers. But the company put the same care and craftsmanship into the Digilab 3D 45 that it has with its more traditional products. The 3D 45 consistently produced good quality prints in our testing. Pros: very good print quality. Easy to use. User-friendly yet powerful software. Prints via USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi, and from a USB thumb drive. Safe design. Relatively quiet. Cons: limited filament colors compared with competitors. The touch screen is not particularly responsive. Number 8. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus produces excellent quality prints with various connectivity choices. Its smart design minimizes the risk of accidental burns from the hot nozzle. Impressive 3D printing made it easy. Pros: easy to use. Very good print quality. User-friendly yet powerful software. Prints via USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi, and from a USB thumb drive. Safe design for an open-frame printer. Relatively quiet. Cons: printer setup through the MakerBot mobile app can be tricky. Somewhat pricey filament. Number 9. Ultimaker S5. The Ultimaker S5 costs a pretty penny, but you get a lot for its premium price. A 3D printer geared to professionals, the S5 has a large build area for a closed-frame printer and packs dual extruders, letting you print with 2 filament colors or types. To that end, it comes with 1 spool of tough PLA, polylactic acid, and 1 of polyvinyl alcohol, PVA. The latter a water-soluble filament commonly used as a temporary support material during printing for complex objects. Pros: dual extruders. Large build volume. Quiet. Good print quality. Easy setup and operation. Touch screen. Cons: pricey. Relatively slow printing at the default resolution. Number 10. Toybox 3D Printer. The Toybox 3D Printer offers kids a fun and safe way to create nifty toys. Parents handle the initial setup, but kids can print with minimal supervision. Printing is smooth, and PLA filament makes it beginner-friendly. Enjoy a wide selection of printable objects or design your own through the app or browser. Safe and exciting 3D printing for kids. Pros: easy setup. Reliable, misprint-free printing. One-touch operation. Well-composed help resources. Access to more than 2,000 printable toys and projects. Lets you create your own printable designs. Cons: tiny build area. Not ideal for importing 3D files created elsewhere. Thanks for watching.